So this is going to look at how to name compounds that are covalent, where the atoms are sharing electrons, where we form molecules. And most of the time, that will mean we're combining two elements from the right side of the periodic table, or two nonmetals. And if you look at the first two examples of those two compounds, IF3 and IF5, what should be kind of clear is that we need a way to distinguish between those two compounds. We can't just call it iodine fluoride because that won't help us distinguish between those two. So the names for these compounds have to help us distinguish between those two compounds. We need a way to indicate, do we have IF3 or IF5? And to do that, we're just going to indicate the number of each type of atom that we have by using the appropriate Greek prefix. So for IF3, the name of that compound is simply iodine trifluoride, where the tri just indicates that we have three fluorides, or three fluorine atoms. And for IF5, the name of that compound is just going to be iodine pentafluoride, where the penta indicates that we have 5 fluorine atoms. Now, for I2O4, we need to indicate that there are 2 iodine atoms in that molecule. In IF3 and IF5, we didn't include the mono, right? So if there's only one of the first type of atom, in as there is in IF3 and IF5, we don't need the Greek prefix mono. But if there's more than one of that first type of atom, then we need to indicate that. So this compound is just going to be diiodine tetroxide, right, where we've kind of taken the tetra and the oxide and combined them. So there you have it. For covalent compounds, just add the Greek prefixes to indicate the number of each type of atom that you have.